Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I made these really good chicken tenders, but I also found a recipe for the Raising Cane dipping sauce. I was told it tastes just like it. So we're gonna make Raising Cane's dipping sauce and some chicken tenders. Let's get started. This is 2 pounds of chicken breast. It's 3 chicken breasts. Now I'm gonna cut them down to make tenders. You can buy them already made if you want. So right here, these are my chicken tenders. I'm gonna make a nice wet fry batter. So right here I have 3 eggs. I'm adding half a cup of buttermilk, and these are gonna be my spices. 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and parsley flakes. I'm gonna add that, mix it up really well, and add it to my chicken tenders. I'm gonna let my chicken tenders marinate in the batter for at least an hour. I'm gonna cover it, set it to the side. Now I'm gonna work on some dry ingredients. This is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, and these are some seasonings. 2 teaspoons each, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, parsley flakes, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna add that to my flour, mix it well, and I've just made a delicious seasoned flour. Now I'm gonna get my chicken tenders, let them drip the excess egg, and then put it in the dry ingredients. Then shake them and set them to the side. This is a cookie sheet and it has a grate on it. So that's what I'm using, but if you have a cookie sheet and you just want to put a piece of parchment paper, that'll work too. So you just dip them and put them all to the side like this. Now I let them sit for 5 minutes, and I'm going to do the same thing all over again. I'm going to dip them in the egg, shake off the excess. The same thing with the dry ingredients, shake off the excess, put them back in the original spot. You're going to double dip all your chicken tenders. It gives a thicker outside coating. After you double dip all your chicken tenders, set them to the side and start working on heating up your oil. This is a little piece of chicken that I put in my hot oil to test it. So what I like to do with my oil is I put it on a medium heat for 10 minutes. Then I test it with that little piece of chicken. When the chicken floats to the top and sizzles, that's when my oil is hot enough. Okay, then you're gonna cook these. You're gonna fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes until the internal temperature is 165. It's good to have a thermometer. Then as they're cooking, I have a plate with a piece of paper towel and I put them off to the side. These are my beautiful chicken tenders. They came out really, really nice. So now we're gonna get started on that delicious Raising Cane sauce. Right here I have a bowl and I'm adding half a cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm gonna add some spices. This is half teaspoon each, salt, garlic powder, and lemon pepper. Give it a good mix, and that is our Raising Cane sauce. Okay, you guys, here are my chicken tenders and my sauce. I'm gonna give a disclaimer. I've only been to Raising Cane's twice, and I really don't remember what the sauce it tastes like. If it's different than other sauces, I don't know. But I wanna know if this is at least a good sauce, and I'm pretty sure it is because of all the stuff I put in it. It's tangy, and it's tasty as a dipping sauce. Okay, this recipe was said to have been a Raising Cane's dipping sauce, and the guy that made the video on that, he said it tasted just like it. I have to be honest, I've only had it twice. I don't remember. Something for you guys to judge. But my tenders are super tasty, and I just had one of my critics here say that they were a thumbs up and a good Raising Cane's dipping sauce. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Mm-hmm.